What's going on, everybody? My name is Kells and I smell really good. And today we're going to be talking about YSL Myslf L'Absolu. Stick around. Yeah, guys, so go ahead and say I like this fragrance. I'll go ahead and say that. I really do like this fragrance. Before we get into talking about it, guys, please consider going to my website, kellssmells.com, where you can sample every fragrance on this video. I'm going to add this one actually right after this video. So, yeah, we'll say great designer release, guys. Sorry for the glares, man, but great designer release. I actually smelled this for the first time like a week or so ago, maybe 2 weeks ago. I fell in love. And I wanted it just like instantly. Like as soon as I smelled it, I was like, man, that's good. It performed on my arm. I had sprayed it on my arm and it just lasted there all day. Pretty moderately strong. I did get a 40 ml bottle. I paid $117. I know that's a lot, but I just didn't care. I wanted it right now, right then. And yeah, I will be decanting this bottle as well. So it's probably not gonna last very long, but I'll make some of my money back through the decanting. I did get a discount at Sephora. Someone helped me out with that. But what do you get with this fragrance? Okay, you get ginger, orange blossom, bergamot. It's really reminding me of something right now too that I've never heard anybody say, but it's reminding me of this. And you guys let me know if I'm crazy for this. It's giving me a purple popsicle vibe. It's giving me this purple grape popsicle vibe. Not grape, but a grape popsicle. It's giving me that vibe. The way this smells, it really smells like that to me in the best way possible. It's almost like this laundry detergent type of smell too, in a good way. Kind of reminds me a little bit of like Lafayette Street. It doesn't smell like it, but it's kind of similar to it. As far as like the original and the Le Parfum, I think this smells more like the original. But it's refined. It's more refined. It's stronger. It just smells better. The Le Parfum's good too, but that's more so of like a vanilla fragrance. So it's really, really nice, guys. I really like this one a lot. I wore it the other day. I sprayed pretty heavy, but it lasted me like 8 hours on my skin. It's kind of it's not an intimate fragrance, but it's a moderate scent bubble. It's not way out here. It's more so like closer to the body with this one. Like I said, you're not going to be walking around just airing everybody out. It's more so of like they're going to smell you if they come within your bubble, you know? And that's kind of what you really want with fragrances, really. I mean, some people want to be announced. I'm like that sometimes myself. But man, I love the chrome bottle too for this one. I don't know, I like the bottle. I really like the fragrance. This is one of the first fragrances that I paid retail for. It's one of the first designer fragrances I've paid retail for in a long time. Really ever retail. I don't buy retail very often, but I just liked this one so much. I wanted it just instantly. I didn't care. I just wanted to wear it and feel good and just, yeah, I don't know. Your boy needed something to lift his spirits up, and this did that. Got the cops going by. I will say this is a great designer release, and so far one of my favorite designer releases of the year, along with the Givenchy Eau de Parfum Ombre. I love that one too. But this is a really good one, guys. This one's gonna be really popular. I'm just telling you, it's going to be. This is gonna be a super good seller for YSL. I'd be very surprised if it wasn't. Yeah, it's a good fragrance, guys. I definitely recommend checking it out. It is expensive right now. I know Fragrance Buy, I almost got it there. FragranceBuy.ca has it 60 ml for $107 or something. So if you want it, check there. But yeah, guys, that's Myslf L'Absolu. I definitely recommend it. I really, really do. That's going to do it for tonight's video, guys. I hope you guys found this useful, enjoyed. What are your thoughts on the new YSL Myslf L'Absolu? Do you enjoy it? Are you trying to buy it? Do you want it? Let me know, guys. I love to hear. Once again, if you're not subscribed to the channel and it's your first time stopping by, or you just keep seeing my videos and you don't subscribe, consider subbing. I'm trying to get to 4K, guys. Appreciate it. And if you want to keep smelling really good, make sure you keep tuning in.
Designer on my neck and my hands now. Put Versace on my neck, ears bust down.